Today I'm gonna be showing you how I do my press-on nails, and if you want to try this at home, you can. It's not that difficult, to be honest. All you need is a few items. You will need some nail tips of your choice. Then you're gonna need a nail stand like the one you see over here. You can purchase this anywhere on Shein, Timo, Amazon, anywhere that nail supplies are sold. You can purchase stands like this. And I'm using as well a dust collector because I like to protect myself against any flying dust. I don't want to be breathing into that dust. And I wear gloves and a mask. So next I'm going with a color. Today I'm using this beautiful color from the brand Beetles. And I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 layers of this nude from Born Pretty. I'm going to leave all these links on the description down below, so check it out. As well, if you want to do nail art very easy, I purchased a few silicone molds on Shein and I made these flowers. It's not very hard to make. You just need to keep the layers on the thinner side, otherwise you're gonna have to cure it for 3 to 4 minutes to make sure everything is nice and cured. It did happen to me today, so I had to make sure that everything was properly cured. Then I cut the little bit extra excess and voila, there you have it. Once I have all the nails already painted with the second coat, I'm going to go ahead and decorate them. But before that, I'm going to do a couple of Frenchies. I use this Ailsa gel nail polish that I purchased on Shein or Amazon as well, you can find it. And it's a very opaque white. I usually just do 1 layer. I prefer to do just 1 layer on Frenchies because otherwise it can get very bulky. And it's harder just to make it all nice and label and even. As well, you're gonna be needing some thin liner brushes. As you can see here, I'm using a very thin liner brush to do the zebra print. It's very easy. You will say easy maybe for you. It's true, but I have a lot of practice. You do need some practice if you're trying to do nail art, but you can do it. If I did this, you can do it as well. What I do when I'm trying to learn some new nail art, I just watch every step that is being done, how the person does it, what tools they're using, and then I go ahead and I practice. That's the way I learn. On this nail, and doing some dots, and I'm using base gel as a blooming gel because I don't have blooming gel right now. If you don't know what blooming gel is, it's just a gel that lets you spread gel polish while it's still wet. And you can do different shapes with this. With a dotting tool, you can create flowers, or you just can create a croc design that is similar to what I did today. So apply some dots on a Frenchie nail and let it sit there for a while until it spreads out. On this nail, I'm trying to do a center ombre, and I'm using the base gel again and then applying the gel in the center of the nail. I'm gonna let it spread until I'm happy with it. And that's one way that I do a center ombre, but the best way is just to do take a sponge with the other color that you like to do in the center and tap it a few times until you're happy with the results and curing in between layers. As well, you can use an airbrush. I haven't tried an airbrush before, but I'm looking forward to get one soon and try it. It seems a little bit messy sometimes when people do it, but I guess the result is amazing. So it's a trade-off. Mess, nice results. I really want to try them because they look so nice, and even the ombres when people do that, and I just love them. I love how they design so easy with that. I think I'm gonna try it pretty soon. Once I finish painting all the nail art, I'm gonna go ahead and apply all the flowers that I created with the silicone molds. And I'm gonna be using Born Pretty rhinestone glue. I've used it so many times already in the past and nothing is moving, I promise. Once you cure this rhinestone glue, your charms or any decoration, they won't move out of place. It's a very strong gel. When applying these flowers, I'm trying to make sure that the flowers are as flat as possible on top of the nail, because I don't really like charms or flowers that are sticking out too much and then they get stuck in your hair or things like that. And I have this portable mini UV lamp that is very convenient. So right now I'm just gonna apply a little bit more of the rhinestone glue on the sides, hold back the petals and make sure that it's gonna be as flat as possible. Okay, so right now I'm going to apply top coat to everything, and the final touch after I cure the top coat is gonna be some drops, like it's gonna look like water drops, and I'm gonna be using a dotting tool for that, and I'm gonna be using the same top coat that I'm using right now. This is a very good top coat that I purchased on Shein, and for me it's been working great so far, so I really recommend it. I'm going to be posting these nails on my Etsy website, and I'm creating nails almost every day just to get a nice inventory on Etsy, because at least you need to have 100 or more posts on Etsy to make some dent into their algorithm. Unfortunately, that's the way it works. And as you can see, I already placed the nails on the press-on case and have them ready to photograph and post. Thank you so much again for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.